Finally! An old-fashioned you can drink with brunch without your mother-in-law giving you the side eye. A banana bread old-fashioned is a great drink anytime, but you'll especially love it in the fall and winter. Made with high-quality Kentucky bourbon, banana liqueur, brown sugar simple syrup, and black walnut and chocolate bitters, this slightly sweet cocktail makes old fashions tolerable, even for women to drink. Let's start by making our own brown sugar simple syrup because I couldn't find any pre-made near me and it's way cheaper to make my own anyway. In a small saucepan, add a cup of packed light brown sugar and a cup of water. Stir while heating on high and make sure any clumps of sugar get crushed up so they will dissolve properly. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. It will not be thick when it's done. It'll still look a bit watery. You don't want it thick when it's hot, or it will be like molasses once it cools. Remove your saucepan from the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Then pour your simple syrup into a mason jar or other container with a tight seal. I keep mine in the fridge for maximum freshness. Now we're ready to make a banana bread old-fashioned. In an appropriate glass, add a single large ice cube. Check the description link to get your own round ice cube molds. Then add 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm a Maker's Mark girl myself, but Old Forester 100 is a great choice for this cocktail too. Then pour about half an ounce of banana liqueur, or more if you really want that banana flavor and like sweet cocktails. For the brown sugar simple syrup, as little as 1 teaspoon is fine, but I like sweet, so I did a heavier pour. Then add a dash each of black walnut bitters and chocolate bitters. Again, adding more if you prefer, but these are strong and you will taste them in this cocktail with a single dash. Give it a stir, then garnish with a dehydrated banana chip and some dark chocolate curls. You can skip the curls, but don't skip the banana chip. It adds more and more natural banana flavor as you slowly sip your cocktail and is super delicious.